Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to upload longer videos on your Facebook story. So when you try uploading video on your Facebook story which is longer than 30 minutes, Facebook will give you a notification saying it's going to trim it to just 30 seconds and upload. So you can see longer videos are shortened to 30 seconds long, but you can trim them first. So the longer video I'm about to upload here will be shortened to 30 seconds and the rest will be deleted. So this video I'll be teaching you how to upload the full video, the full 1 minute or the full 2 minutes video you want to upload on your status. So with this we need Facebook Messenger. So if you don't have Facebook Messenger, just get some from Google Play Store. So log into your Facebook Messenger. So when you are logged in, you enter any chat. To enter any chat, you click on the media. Now you select your 1 minute or long video you want to upload. You select it. You don't click on send. You click on edit. Choose edit. So after clicking on edit, you can see your story here. Your story button. So just click on your story. You can see added. So this is my story. So let's get back here and check on this. So it's still uploading. So we just have to wait for some few minutes for this to finish its uploading process. Alright, so here is it. It has been uploaded. So let's go back to our Facebook and check the length of the video which has been uploaded. So this is our Facebook. So checking the length of the video, you can see how slowly it's loading. The full minutes video has been uploaded. So this is just a simple way to upload a video which is more than 30 seconds normal status limit of Facebook. So this is just a way to do this. Now if you do this and it works for you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. But if you're facing some problem, just drop anything. Feel free, communicate to me in the comment section. We'll find a way to reach out to you and help you solve this problem. So thank you for watching this video once again. Catch you up in my next upload.